Hi all, I am Bhadra Kannan, 7 years old, studying in class 2. Here I am teaching olympiad lesson of class 1 maths chapter 1. Chapter 1, number sense. Which number will come in place of question mark? 72. Here's the question mark. 74. Right here. 72. Here's the question mark and 74. Here we get that is 73. So we get 72, 73, 74. 73, 73. Number line shows counting by twos. 0 option. You are starting from 0 to 2. It's okay. 2. From 2 we have to jump to 4. So it is wrong answer. We can search B. From 0 it is jumping to 1. So this is also wrong answer. We will write this wrong. From C. C is from 0 it's jumping to 3. So it is also wrong answer. And we are searching in D. From 0 it is jumping to 2. It's okay. From 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It's also okay. 4 plus 2 it is in 6. It is also okay. So we will put here. So option D is the right answer. Number 3. Dash is holding the largest number. Tens. Here is tens is written 2 and ones 3. Okay. So the answer here is 23. And here is tens is 2 and ones is 4. So 24. And tens is 3 and 2 1 is 2. Here is tens. Tens is 3. Tens is 3 and ones is 0. 3. Here we get 23, 24, 32 and 30. So the largest number is 32. And here is B. Answer is Niku. There are 9 ones and 2 tens in dash. We know that. We will write here ones and here tens. 9 ones. So we will write here 9. And 2 tens. We will write here 2. And B is the correct answer. So 29. All the following is not a correct match. 62. This is 62. It's okay. And this is 32. This is also written 32. So it's okay. So written 81. It's also written 81. It's also okay. So 43. So here is written 34. So here is wrong and this is the correct answer. Next episode we will discuss rest of this portion. Thank you all for watching. watching my channel. For more videos, subscribe my channel and put the bell icon. Comment your